Welcome back, FAMIELIN. Let's tour this beautiful A-frame house that makes $7,000 per month from short-term rentals on Airbnb. This is over $80,000 per year, and without a doubt, this is a great investment. You are currently watching Around the World with Rochielin, a series where I travel around the world touring unique spaces and places and seeing how these investors are making passive income from real estate investments. We are currently in Swannanoa. So before we head on the inside, I want to check out the outside. There is a fire pit just over here with lots of seating for the group that you may come here with. So the cabin itself sleeps 6 people. It's perfect for family, for friend vacation, for vacation, for relaxing time, for romantic time, and this fire pit is ideal for that. There are 6 chairs and they have provided firewood for you to use while you're here. I will definitely be using that later on because it's already so cold and I know it gets colder as night draws near. But just check it out and tell me what you think in the comment section below. So let's head on the inside and see what this A-frame has to offer. And key to note is that when you do book your stay on the Airbnb app, after you've completed the booking, the host sends you a personalized code for you to put in the smart lock here on the door, and then you have access because it's all self-check-in. But hey, check out the black exterior on this A-frame. It definitely gives it a nice touch, and I'm already loving that there's so many windows here, so I know it's gonna be bringing in a lot of natural light. And these string lights just on the front, I bet it looks good at night. But let's go on the inside, shall we? Whew. It's so cold outside, so it feels so good to be on the inside where it's warm. And speaking of warmth, there is a mini split here that heats and cools the place, and right now it's very warm, which I'm very grateful for. As we enter, we are already seeing that it's an open concept layout of the space. You have white pristine walls that allow the space to be bright and feel big and grand. There are lots of windows bringing in a lot of natural light that also helps to make the space feel larger than it is. As soon as you walk in, you see that there's a living space here, and to the left there's a couch that pulls out into a queen size bed, giving you additional sleeping space. And right across from it is the television and the TV console that has many games for you to play while you're here and bonding time with your friends and your family or whoever you're here with. So that's a nice addition. Right across from the living space is the kitchen. Let's go check it out. So the kitchen has a full-size fridge and full-size stove for you to whip up a meal while you're here. There's a microwave. They're all the appliances that you'll have in your kitchen at home, so it's really a home away from home. There's a kettle, a toaster, there are utensils, pots and pans, and there's even this spice rack. Most Airbnbs that I've toured, they usually get salt and pepper, but this one has a full-on spice rack, so you can definitely make yourself a meal while you're here. And I love that there's this window here that allows you to look out into the mountainside and even over into East Asheville. So it's the next day, and I wanted to show you that there are 2 sleeping spaces here. Now we're gonna head to the loft. And this is how we get to the loft, by pulling the string. Let's make sure we do it right. There we go. Make sure that the ladder is secure, feels firm, and then you go up. So are you gonna stay down there or are you gonna come up? Come up and comment while you're at it. See, I'm able to stand in the loft, which is great because a lot of the lofts that I've toured before, I have to crouch sometimes. And this one, we're able to stand fully because the ceiling is triangular. It's an A-frame, so it sets like this. But behind me is a queen-sized bed, and there's a window right beside it that lets in a lot of light so that it doesn't feel small and clustered here. It does feel like a lot of space and a lot of room to move around. And over on this side is a poof beanbag kind of lounge chair for you to enjoy when you're not on the bed. And of course, while you're here, you're able to look out and see the living room, and you can look straight ahead and you'll see outside through the very large window that's provided for you over there. Also letting in a lot of natural light from this end. I'm able to look over or look down or look over this railing and see what's happening on the ground floor. So now that we've seen the other spaces in the house, let's go see where we're gonna sleep, all right? And it's right behind this door, behind this pocket door. Let's head into the bedroom, shall we? All right, so now we're inside the bedroom, and as you can see, it is bright and white and beautiful. There is a queen-size bed in here, and I slept here last night, and it was one of the most comfortable sleeps that I've had since we've been on the road. It has a memory foam mattress, so that's really good. They have continued the black and white theme throughout the entire A-frame, including the bedroom, and you can see that in the rug that's beneath the bed, and the mirror that's on the wall to that side, and even the frames of this beautiful map of Asheville, and the framing of the door, along with the dresser and every other accent piece that's inside this room. There's another mini split to heat and cool this room, and there's a glass door on this side that leads you out to the back deck. Let's go outside. As I mentioned, it's fall and it's very cold. For me at least, it's about 32 degrees today. Once you're on the back deck, you're able to have this beautiful view of East Asheville. You're able to look outside and see the sides of the mountain. You get to see the trees. You get to see all around. You are in the woods, and it's just so magical and so peaceful. You are secluded, so you get that calming, peaceful, tranquil feeling, this relaxation, unwinding, getting away from the world. You are close to the city, but not in the city. So if you need something from the city, you can. It's an easy 5 to 10 minutes drive. But then once you get up here, you're alone in the wilderness by yourself. And I just love that about it. This A-frame makes around $7,000 a month. So you can already tell that it is a beautiful and brilliant investment property.
Rochielin, with the vlogging. Rochielin, a good thing, DIY thing. Traveling, exploring, touring. A little ear thing, a little teaching. A be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cause she not